Salut, comment ça va? J'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui, on va commencer enchanter one book and lesson with him. Lesson 8. D'accord? The name of the chapter is Une sortie entre amis. Okay? Les verbes. Les trois groupes. Okay? So, this is very important topic. Let's read it in detail. Okay. So, students, in French, there are three types of verb. Trois type the verb. Okay, three types of verb. First one is er. Second one is er. Third one is a. Premier group, deuxième group, troisième group. Okay, let's do. So today we are going to do this one, right? Not this, not this. Let's do. Er. Now, what it means, er, right? See, the verb which are ending, uh, जिनका टर्मिनेशन जो टर्मिनेट हो रहे हैं विद ई आर वो सारे इसी ग्रुप में ऑल आर इन फ्रॉम ये ग्रुप फॉर एग्जाम्पल पार्ले ओके écoutez chanter danser. So first of all, understand what is aware. See the endings. Aware, 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 aware. So all these are in first group, premier group. Clear? Right? This is the first step to identify premier group. Okay? Student, in the previous class, we have learned the conjugation of parler. Remember? Right? Now understand, you will say, ki, ma'am, there is also er ending, right? But this is exception. This is called irregular verb that you have to learn. And these are the regular ones. What is the difference? For irregular verb, the conjugation is different. I'll make you understand. Okay? First of all, let's do it. Conjugation. Let's do the conjugation. So, like être, avoir, aller, all these are exceptions, irregular verbs. Regular verb parler. Let's conjugate. What is the rule? First of all, éviter a. What you have to do, remove a, right? For conjugation. You are left with this. This is known as radical. This is left. Now, students, you have to use this to conjugate the verb, right? See, je parle. Okay, I have used this radical. Now, here, ajouter a. Ajouter a plus a. So, je parle. You again write this parle. Ajouter a s. Il, elle parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il, elle parle. Okay, right? Now, this is called the regular verb because it is the set of rule. Always for the regular verbs, you will learn these endings. A S, A, ONS, AZ, ONT. Where these endings will be added, you have to remove a air, and in this radical, you have to add on. Right? Okay, let's see this one. A air verb. I told you this is irregular because remember in the previous class we have learned the conjugation of aller. What was it? Je vais. So those students who have seen like watch the previous video, you know that. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. Okay, now see the difference. This is exception, irregular verb. This rule is not applicable here. Totally different. It means you have to mug up this conjugation for the irregular verbs, right? But here it is the set of rule. Let's do one more so that you can understand. Okay, let's take in. Okay, what is the meaning of parley? It means to speak, bolna. Now you can make any sentence. If I want to say मैं फ्रेंच बोलती हूँ और मैं फ्रेंच बोल रही हूँ, दोनों एक ही टेंस में है, मतलब जो हम अभी कर रहे हैं ना, दैट इज द प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस इज आल्सो हियर. सो आई वांट टू से मैं फ्रेंच बोलती हूँ, आई स्पीक फ्रेंच, आई एम स्पीकिंग फ्रेंच. द सेंटेंस विल बी je parle, sorry, français, tu parles Punjabi. In this way, you can make sentence, right? Okay. Let's do one more. Let's practice Shante. What is Shante? Shante means to sing. Gana. Students, the first step, éviter air. You are left with this. Let's conjugate. Je chante. Tu chantes. Il, elle chante. Nous chantons. Vous chantez. Il, elle chante. Same. Understood? Now, what is the meaning of chanton? Chante, sorry, it means to sing. Gana. Je chante. Tu chantes. So, मैं गाना गा रही हूँ. Je chante le chanson. कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हैं. Tu chantes. Il chante. Okay? Nous chantons. Vous chantez. Il chante. Elle chante. Pronunciation, see? It is same. Parle, parle, parle. Parlons, parlez, parle. Some of the students pronounce this as well, parlons. No, it is par. ENT is the silent. Don't pronounce it. Okay. Let's come here. So quickly through our group, air, er, okay. Then air, right? From me a group. See the conjugation aime, er, remove. It means is this. See, j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. Okay? Now, students, all these are regular verbs from a group. Learn the meaning and conjugate. We have already done chanter and we have already done parler. Rest is the homework. Even you can type in the comment box. I'll check it. Okay? If there is any error or anything, I'll check it. So just write the in the comment box. Just type them. Okay, Katrama sees. Lorapa. Let's see how to use it in a sentence. If I want to, okay, let's read. This person is asking him, her, qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Aim, remember? Tu aimes. Tu aimes means you like or you love. अगर मैंने उसके आगे qu'est-ce लगा दिया तो it means what you like. तो तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Now she is replying, j'aime. See? J'aime. J'aime le gâteau. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? J'aime le gâteau. Le conversation, les chips, le bugle, le pizza, et la crêpe, les frites, le chocolat, le sandwich et le gâteau. Now, qu'est-ce que tu détestes? Déteste is again, remember, détester is the opposite of aimer. It is written over here. So now he's saying, qu'est-ce que tu détestes? तुम्हें क्या नहीं पसंद? What you don't like or what you hate? Je déteste le sandwich. So this is also er verb. See the conjugation with tu. Es, here, a. Okay? Page numéro 87. Le vocabulaire, bonne chance, commander, ensemble, formidable, la rencontre, le repas, les chips, les frites, un burger, un chocolat, un concours, un gâteau, un piano, un restaurant, un sandwich, une crêpe, une pizza. Okay, let's read this. Okay. Trois amis sont dans un restaurant. Trois amis, three friends are in the restaurant, dans un restaurant. Hélène, qu'est-ce que tu aimes? We have already done. What do you like? André, j'aime les frites et la pizza. Hélène, et toi, Hélène? And you? So in return, she is asking her, और तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? Et toi, Ala? So no need to ask completely this. You can say, et toi, Ala? और तुम? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? You can also say, तुम्हें क्या खाना पसंद है? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? Manger means to खाना. Here, students, this is the first verb and this is the second verb. Always conjugation हम लोग करते हैं. The first verb will be conjugated and the second verb do not conjugate. We will use it as it is. That's why this is the conjugated, remember, and it is not. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? J'aime la pizza. Page numéro 84. Bon, nous mangeons ensemble. Ensemble मतलब together. Okay, हम एक साथ खाएंगे. Manger. Manger is the verb here. So it is conjugated here. Manger. Le soir, tu as a concours, Ala. So in the evening, Ala, you have a class, you have a concours class as well, course as well, competition. Okay, concours. Ah oui, je vais chanter et danser. So, je vais chanter. See, this is the first verb conjugated and another verbs are not. So, je vais chanter et danser. So, yes, I'm going for singing and dancing. Tu chantes aussi. तुम गाते भी हो. You sing as well. Oui, je chante et je joue du piano aussi. मैं piano भी बजाता हूँ. So, this is the verb to use. Joue du piano. Okay. Formidable. Wonderful. Bonne chance. Bonne chance, Anna. Bonne chance. Merci beaucoup. Comment s'appelle trois amis? S'appelle means he's asking the name of three friends. So it was, you can write, il s'appelle Hélène, Alain, André. Qu'est-ce qu'il mange au restaurant? Il, see, observe the conjugation. It is conjugated. Il mange. You can write, il mange les frites, la pizza. Okay. Dans le restaurant, il y a trois amis. André aime. Let's see what André aime. Okay. André, qu'est-ce que tu aimes? André aime les frites et la pizza. So here, la pizza, André aime la pizza et les frites. Dites vrai. Les amis sont au restaurant. The friends are in the restaurant. Ray. André joue du piano. Let's see. André, formidable. Ala, oui, je chante et joue de piano. So, Ala joue de piano, right? Andre is not, right? So, four. Ce soir, Ala a un concours. Le soir, tu as un concours. Ah, oui. So, vrai. Hélène aime chanter. Hélène, tu chantes aussi? Ok. Le soir, Ala, Hélène, tu chantes aussi? Oui, je chante. Hélène, vous non chante. It is not written over here. Hélène, bon, nous mangeons le soir, tu as un concours là? Oui, je vais chanter, danser. Hélène, tu chantes aussi? Oui, je chante. Okay, it is not mentioned here. So, pas mentionné, right? Yes, it is not mentioned. Now we will go to the other one. See the conjugation. Je, here verb, regard, sia, sia, detest. It's not working. Just give me 1 minute. Detest. La crêpe. And understand the phrases as well. Je regarde la télé, so I watch television. Sia detests la crêpe. Sia doesn't like crêpe. Vous être verb. So être verb we have already learned, right? Vous êtes grand. Rahul chante. Elle habite. So they live in Nice. Nice is the name of a city in France. Lara et Paul. Okay. Oh, une grande voiture. This is the avoir verb. Irregular verb. J'aime ma famille. I love my family. Nous allons. This is also alle exception irregular. Nous allons à la piscine. We go to piscine. Piscine is the swimming pool. Page numéro 88. Ok, je déteste le sandwich. Il est intelligent. Vous comptez, vous comptez des bonbons. So you count the toffees, right? You habite à Delhi. You live in Delhi. Nous jouons au football. So we play football. Facile and three, find the odd one out. Je, you. See, subject pronoun, subject pronoun, subject pronoun. This is odd one out. Indefinite article, indefinite article, indefinite article, definite article. Aimer, jouer, or air. So the three are in the main form infinitive, which are not conjugated. This one odd one out. Chocolat, gâteau, crepe. All these are in the snacks, you can say. Pomme is a fruit. Répondez aux questions suivantes. Qu'est-ce que vous aimez? So he's asking, qu'est-ce que vous aimez? What do you like? J'aime le gâteau. Okay, this is the singular. Vous aimez. Vous aimez, he can ask a singular person for respect. Suppose you are asking your teacher, ma'am, what do you like? Qu'est-ce que vous aimez? But if it is asking for the plural, suppose you are two friends and he is asking, what do you like? For both. Then we can say, हमें पसंद है, nous aimons. So both answer can be right. Nous aimons le. Similarly, qu'est-ce que vous détestez? So if you are one, je déteste le coca, nous. See the conjugation changes as your subject change. Le coca, page numéro 89. Remplissez les blancs en utilisant les mots donnés. Okay. Sandrine is the name, so it is. Je m'appelle Sandrine. Paris, so it means living in Paris. This is the structure of telling age. 11 ans. J'ai 11 ans. Il y a 5 membres dans ma famille. J'aime ma famille. I love my family. Let's practice this. ER verb, éviter ER. Je danse. Tu danses. Il, elle danse. Nous dansons. Vous dansez, il, danse. Fixed rule. Habite, because it is vowel, we will start like this. Only in the form of je, apostrophe, because there is vowel, but not with you. J'habite, tu habites, elle habite, nous habitons, vous habitez, elles habitent. Je compte, tu comptes, elle compte, nous comptons, vous comptez, elle compte. Okay? Page numéro 90. Just do the practice like that. Listening part, écoutez. France, je t'aime. France, I love you. French cuisine is well known for its freshness and high quality dishes. Here are some typical French food items. See, baguette. This is also available in my city as well. In I think your city as well, in good cafeterias. Baguette, long bread skit, escargot, so foie gras et ratatouille, pain au chocolat et frappe. Page numéro 80. 11 et c'est fini. D'accord? So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Uh, just your one like give uh, us the motivation to make videos. Okay? And your comments are very important. Students, please write if you have any problem, especially, and you want something more in the videos, please write in the comment box. Okay? Thank you. Au revoir. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt.